Welcome to this south-facing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with its very own private pool and large garden in Crispin, Alicante. With 2 large balconies leading from the upstairs bedrooms, at the entrance of this property, you will find a garden area to the right and parking bay to the left that leads to the rear garden where the private pool is located. This is a perfect space for entertaining guests, of relaxing by the pool with a seating and barbecue area at the side. Entering the villa, you have a large, glassed-in conservatory that lets ample sunlight in. At the main entrance, you have a recently installed pellet fire. The living room to the right creates a bright, open space with marble stairs in the center leading up to the 2nd level. At the rear, you have a hallway with the open-plan kitchen and a utility room with rear access to the garden pool area. Downstairs bedroom with fitted wardrobes and bathroom. On the 2nd level, you will find 2 large bedrooms with fitted wardrobes that both have access to their private balconies. In the middle of the hallway is the master bathroom. There is also a community pool located just a minute round the corner. Located just 3 minutes from Ciudad Quesada and 15 minutes to the Costa Blanca coast, where you have multiple beaches. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.